everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a collaboration that I am doing with Cilla from Choices of Bliss. I will have her listed below, and I want to give a shout out to Dorothy from Scrapbooking, Quebec, because she's the one that inspired us to do this collaboration. And I'm going to have the video that really inspired us to do it. It's called Primp Your Scraps Christmas. So we will have those listed below. Please go check out Cilla. I love her spin on this. And this is our nod to the Christmas Carol. We would love to have you join us and get some of those papers that you would love to put some Christmas spirit into. So come with me as we look at the kit that I've made for the Christmas past. So that spirit took Ebenezer to his past, and what that represented was to show him his memories of long ago. So I pulled this authentic paper, and I want to do a layout about an old memory, an old Christmas memory. So this is my inspiration, and here are the papers that I will be using to go along with that. A lot of this is the authentic line, but that's okay. Here's a little bit of red to bring in because I'm not sure what story I'm going to be telling, but I do know that it's going to be fun to talk with my husband about an old Christmas memory. Him and I were both raised in this area, and I think between the two of us we can come up with something fun from our past. I did bring in some of this red from another collection that's going to really make that pop. Sorry, I got that all crooked on you there. And I know there's quite a few papers, but like I said, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be scrapbooking. And I did bring in some cardstock. This will make this pop right here a lot. Here's another gray. This is some of the things that I brought in from other collections. Oh, hope I can get all that in there. Here's another red. And then here is some hymns. I don't know if it's a hymn. So, those are the papers that I will be using. And I didn't have a whole lot from this collection, and so I did go ahead and I did some die cutting of some boughs and some different sprigs of things. I do have this cut apart, and then I also have this die cut sheet that came with the collection. So now let's go to the Christmas present. Ebenezer arrived at the next destination. It was all joyous and parties and all the fun stuff. So what I chose for my collection for the Christmas present is I chose this beautiful white and blue. It's a current collection from 2020 from P13, but I thought it would fill in nicely because it brings me joy. The papers that I've pulled for this collection, most of them are from a paper pad from Hobby Lobby, but I brought in this glorious blue, some wood grain, some other wood grain, because you just never know what you're going to scrapbook, a little bit of red, because there is a little bit of red in there. Some green. Some more blue. That blue just goes so beautifully. And then I chose some cardstock. This is a white, and it has an embossed dot on it, and then also some blue. So I brought that in as well. So those are the papers. And then I do not have any other embellishments to go with that. So once again, I pulled my dies and I made some ephemera pieces. And I may add to this, I may go with some darker green. I haven't quite decided, but I do know that I'll probably fussy cut some of these as well. But This is the collection that I chose for the present, and it's all about generosity, goodwill, and joy. Now, let's go and see where it takes us for the future. Next stop for Ebenezer was the future. And we all know what his future was looking like. So he had to make a decision on whether to change his heart condition or if he was going to be alone for the rest of his life. You know how the story goes. So this paper is either going to bring me some Christmas spirit or it's going out the door. I know that's kind of brutal, but anyways, I think I can make it work. There's the holly on the back side and this fun little special delivery. So let's see what I'm going to pull for this. I chose some green. And like I said, I haven't decided whether I'm going to use this side. This side seems a little fun to me. I pulled a couple of pieces of dark green. There's some plaid. Some wood grain. Some dark brown, which I think will go just beautifully. And some solid red. That looks wonderful. I do have the sticker sheet that I want to add in here, and then I also have a chipboard accents to go. So that is my kit for the future. So we will see if it's going to make it or not. So I think we can change this Christmas collection to something that's going to stay and bring us a lot of Christmas spirit. I hope you guys join us. This is going to be so much fun. We'll be posting once a week. Cilla will be posting on a Thursday. I will be posting on a Tuesday through the month of December. I hope you guys join us, and please go check out Cilla at Choices of Bliss and also Dorothy at Scrapbooking Quebec. Well, you guys have a super amazing day, and I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I hope you come along with us.